Welcome to the MakerLab at the Northern Arizona University Cline Library. The Cline Library MakerLab is located on the first floor of the library adjacent to the main entrance. The MakerLab was designed to be a multidisciplinary collaborative space where students, staff, and the community could learn, explore, discover, and share ideas through the act of making. Our primary goal at the MakerLab is to support your personal and academic projects in ways that foster imagination, creativity, and innovation, and help you solve real-world problems. The MakerLab is open to all visitors during regular library hours and provides a wide array of different workspaces, supplies, tools, software, and equipment. We also offer a project consultation service, 3D printing services, free workshops, and occasional events. The Cline Library MakerLab offers a wide variety of making supplies and equipment to help you create, including drawing tools, yarn and knitting supplies, paper, magazines, and cardboard. Our tool bench includes clamps, vices, a variety of pliers and hammers, screwdrivers and cutting tools, as well as measuring tools, calipers, glue guns, and soldering irons. We also offer a wide variety of equipment for walk-up use and for lending. This includes a laminator, light box for drawing, paper cutters, sewing machines, microcontroller kits including the Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and our most popular item of all, our button maker. The MakerLab Silver Bullet is an automated die-cutting machine that can cut, emboss, and engrave in materials such as paper, cardstock, vinyl, rubber, and plastic. Please note that users must supply their own materials to cut. Or you can try our Cricut Explorer Air 2, available for 4-hour in-library use. This device allows you to cut or draw in different materials such as vinyl, cardstock, paper, and fabric. Do you need help using MakerLab tools or equipment? Visit our website to ask a question, view tutorial information, or to request an in-person or virtual project consultation. One of the primary focuses of the MakerLab is our 3D printing service. 3D printing is the process of making a physical object based on a three-dimensional computer model. Typically, this is done by laying down many thin layers of material using a machine called a 3D printer. The MakerLab's 3D printing service uses a method of 3D printing called FDM, or Fused Deposition Modeling. In this process, a spool of material, usually a variety of plastic filament, is fed through the 3D printer and heated to its melting point. The material is then extruded through a nozzle, called the extrusion head, much like a hot glue gun. This extrusion head is controlled by motors within the printer, which determine where the molten plastic material is deposited. The 3D printer first deposits a thin layer of material in the shape of the base of your model. Once that layer hardens, which takes no more than a few seconds, the printer begins a second layer on top of the first. This process is repeated again and again for hundreds or thousands of layers until the final model takes shape. The MakerLab's 3D printing service makes use of 20 different MakerBot brand FDM 3D printers. This includes 18 MakerBot Replicator Pluses and 2 large format MakerBot Z18s. If you'd like to turn a physical object, be it a sculpture, artifact, or even yourself, into a model for 3D printing, the MakerLab offers a number of different 3D scanners for your use. This includes the powerful Einscan Pro Plus and Next Engine scanners available in the MakerLab, as well as the rentable iPad-based structure sensor you see here. All of these devices work by using either images or lasers to collect information about the shape, color, and texture of your model. If you need assistance using a 3D scanner, please visit the MakerLab webpage to sign up for a consultation or view our tutorial videos. If you'd like to design your own 3D model for printing, the computers in the MakerLab support a variety of different computer-aided design software. This includes the free web-based Tinkercad, SketchUp and Blender for general 3D design, SolidWorks and Autodesk's AutoCAD for advanced engineering applications, and Cinema 4D for 3D graphics rendering. The Cline Library MakerLab's 3D printing services are available to all NAU and CCC students, staff, faculty, and any Flagstaff area community members. The standard printing cost is 12 cents per gram of filament consumed, however there are some additional flat rate fees. The MakerLab uses a PLA material for all of our 3D printing, which is a hardened plastic, available in 30 different colors. The maximum size of any single print can be 12 inches by 12 inches by 18 inches high, with a maximum layer resolution of 0.004 inches or 0.1 millimeters. To submit a model for 3D printing, first visit our website at nau.edu/library/MakerLab. Then select our Submit a 3D Print Request form. Complete this form, starting with your NAU affiliation. Determine the delivery method and payment method for your model, and fill out some basic contact info. Next, you'll need to upload your design. File types allowed are .stl, .ply, .obj, and .thing files. You can set additional settings for your model, including quantity, deadline, and object size. And then pick the color of filament you'd like your model printed in. We have 30 colors you can choose from. Please note that most of these are 12 cents per gram, but we have some specialty designs at 25 cents per gram. The additional notes section allows you to add information like infill percentage, resolution, and shells. Then complete the user agreement and submit the form. Once your 3D print request has been received, MakerLab staff will begin to process your model. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive a quote email that allows you to confirm and pay for your job online. Once your print has been confirmed, MakerLab staff will begin printing your model on our MakerBot Replicator or Z18 printers. Once you've received your final completion email, you can pick up your 3D print from this self-service cart, located in the Cline Library MakerLab. All prints will be alphabetized by your last name. Are you an NAU faculty member interested in resources that the MakerLab offers for your courses? If so, visit our website to request tours and workshops for your class, allocate course funds for 3D printing, or learn more about how the MakerLab can support your research or student assignments.